I'm my name's Andrew, and today we're going to be helping the birds. So we're filling up the bird feeder because we didn't need to do it in summer because they have a lot of food to eat. We're filling it up in the fall and the winter because the birds are not going to have enough food in the fall and the winter, so that's why we're filling it up. So if you watch like somebody else and he watches birds and he got a bird feeder like this, probably wondering why it moved down, because birds are so light that it doesn't move down. But squirrels want to get their food, but they're heavy, so when they go on, it will go down and they can't get in there, so only the birds could. So that's why it goes down. It's squirrel-proof, unlike my garden. I'm gonna unscrew it. So guys, we made a tiny scooper out of the iced tea. And some of you may not know what bird seed looks like, and this is what it looks like. So now we're just gonna get one scoop. So I was putting this in there, so then if it spills, it still goes in here, and it doesn't leave to waste. Just make sure it doesn't fall over all over you. And you see the bird feeders going at the bottom. Just a bit more on this. Whew. And there we go. So now we're gonna take this again, put it on, line it up. So we got it. So we got this on now, and now we got this thing. And now we just need to screw it back on. Now we're gonna put it back up. Now squirrels cannot get the birds' food. So we got this up. So later my dad's gonna be taking some pictures of birds eating here. Yummy. And probably some squirrels being so stupid and trying to get the food, but again, they can't get it because it's squirrel proof. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.